Hi Kanchi, welcome to Telechakka.com. So how is it feeling?
Well, I'm on cloud 9. Working with Rajan ji is like a dream come true. I regard him as the Karan Johar of small screen. Working with DKB, they work with so much of perfection. They make you feel comfortable. And Rajan ji is someone who doesn't give his own opinions a lot. He first tries to collect your opinions, your ideas, and then if something is missing, then he adds on to that.
You're talking about perfection of DKP and Rajanji talked about imperfection of
Perfection. It depends on the requirement of the character. We are a newcomer. Obviously, we are imperfect in everything. It'll take time.
So how are you feeling for show ZTV, Rajan Shahi?
Feels great. It feels very special. Rajan sir is such a nice, he means a lot to me. I respect him from here. The way he sees those things in me. It's a long time my dad is seeing those things in me. The similarity between him and my father are a lot. They both are very fond of me and I'm fond of them. So yeah, feels good.
And tell us more about your character in the show.
My character in the show, his name is Raj. He's a happy-go-lucky guy. दिल जीता लोगों के फटाफट. Cute लड़का है. कोई उससे नफरत नहीं कर सकता. मेरा जैसा रियल लाइफ में, I think, I hope. तो Raj basically he's never been in love. Confused है कि ये love है कि क्या है. लड़की को देखता है पहली बार तो पता नहीं ये love है कि क्या है. Later he realizes कि यही love है. The journey of his love. Yeah.
So tell us about your journey. How come you thought about being an actor?
First, I'll tell you how did I get this thing. I didn't come for this. I had come for the main lead's friend. Okay, and I was just sitting. I didn't want to give the audition. My mom, she forcefully took me. Let go, you have to shut up and go. I was like, no mama, I don't want to do a main lead. So she took me and I was just sitting. So they came from inside and they were like that we are coming out with a new show on Z. So it's a main lead's friend. Oh, it is a good one, please audition for that. So I'll give an audition. I gave the audition for that. The next day they called me and they like, you have to come to the mock shoot. So I was like, for the friend? No, for the lead. I was like, oh my god, but I was not that happy. I was like, okay, it's just a mock shoot. I went. Then I came to that Rajan, he's taking the audition for me. Shit, scared because I never faced him. And he's someone. God. So I was very scared to face him. I was just sitting in one corner doing my lines, asking Mishka to, do it with me. So he made me very comfortable. And it was so nice to work with him that I was like mesmerized. I was like, wow, this is the way they work. I so want to get this. Just getting more energy that I have to do it. So yes, then after 2-3 days, they were like that, come for the look test. So I went for the look test. Then after again 2-3 days, Rajanji was like that, you're the heroine of DKB. Me, my mom and my dad, we three of us started crying. And he got worried. Oh my god, take tissue. So seriously, it was like, I feel I'm blessed.
So how has been the journey in the industry?
It's been hardly any time now and it's been cool, it's been nice. Not experienced a lot, but I'll experience soon. Yeah. I can't say much. This is the beginning.
So being an actor was a childhood dream?
It was, yes, actually it was my mother's dream. Honestly, she wanted to become an actress but she couldn't. So she was like, मेरी एक ही बेटी है and मैं उसे बना के रहूँगी. And so her dream has come true and so was mine and so was my father's.
Tell us more about your character in this show.
Of me, she is a very traditional, very joyful, very innocent girl. She's very curious to know what is the feeling of love. How does love happen? What is that thing that love at first sight? She sees many slides of love. कि मम्मी पापा का प्यार एक स्माइल में प्यार होता है, एक पूछने से कि तुमने खाना खाया उसी में से प्यार होता है. So she goes like, अच्छा प्यार ऐसे होता है, अच्छा प्यार वैसे होता है. तो like she's very curious to know कि प्यार कैसे होता है. She's a very nice, sweet, very innocent girl, very devoted towards her family. She's a college going student.
So how did that idea of being an actor crop up in your mind?
Like
And
I said,
And when?
in school in the 8th when I was this much, I had big specs. I was dark. Dark matlab tan. I had white patches on my face. I had braces. Then I did karate for a year. My dad threw me there. He's like, what the hell is wrong with you? Go there. And that's when I shot up. Specs came off, braces came off. Suddenly I got a lot of girly attention. But I wanted to be an actor since the 8th when I was ugly. Not suddenly when I became good looking. So I was very not so smart in school. Like, not a bad boy, not a brat, but not good in studies. Like, I used to study a lot but get no marks. I was good at mugging up, not like a parrot. And that helped me later in college. College I became very smart. I used to mug. I did arts, never interested in studying. Arts किया फटाफट मग अप किया, लिख दिया पेपर, मार्क्स आ गए. वही मैंने अपना मेमोरी स्क्रिप्ट लर्निंग में यूज़ किया और it helped me. Yeah, I want to be an actor always. Yeah, like I love that idea of people running after you, clicking your pictures and all. I love that. So yeah.
So how much of the role do you relate to?
A lot. I am very cultural, very traditional in personal life also, but I am aware of the feeling of love. I am not that innocent also.
And how much of Raj is in Nishkan?
A lot. Trust me. He's an innocent guy. I'm also innocent. I can be fooled easily, I think. There's one major difference that he's a very intelligent guy in real life. लेकिन मैं real life में बहुत बड़ा टफर था स्कूल में. बॉम्बे स्कॉटिश स्कूल से हूँ. कभी मार्क्स नहीं आए स्कूल में. 10-10 घंटे पढ़ाई की, 0, 15 मार्क्स आए. लेकिन मुझे स्क्रिप्ट मिलता है तो मैं फटाफट 1-2 मिनट में लर्न कर लेता हूँ. तो हाँ.
What is love for you?
Love, see, according to love has no definition. Yeah, you never know. Serial की tagline है, love, you don't find love finds your way, and that is so true. I completely believe in that. भले if today I date someone, I might not get married to that person. I don't know who is the actual love of my life. Similarly, I relate a lot to this character.
And do you believe in love at first sight?
Yeah.
So what is love for you? Since this show is all about love, let's talk about love.
Love for me is what love is innocent. It's simple. It's nothing larger than life. It's pure. It's being loyal and it's being honest. Yeah.
And DKP's all lead heroines have become very popular faces. So high expectation on you, is it a challenge or is it
I don't expect right now. I just believe in working hard right now. I don't expect anything. I just want to work hard. I don't want to, let them down. I want to give them my best. I believe that if I work hard, automatically I get the food.
And any actor that you actually look up to or as
I get that I look like Ranbir Kapoor a lot. Maybe on the same school, that's why he's from Bombay Scottish, I'm from Bombay Scottish. I get Ranbir and Hrithik a lot, and we all be from the same school. Hrithik also from my school. I look up to them a lot. Ranbir is a looker. I take it as a compliment when they call me that. Brilliant actor, you all know it. I look up to them, yeah, Ranbir, Hrithik. Shah Rukh Khan is way above everyone for me. I want to be like him. The style which he has, he's actually the king. See the way he's living, man. His house, his bungalow. Live life king size like Shah Rukh Khan. But I love him the most actually.
Just a message to the viewers who will be waiting for your
this
show.
This is a very new, fresh concept. It is not the typical saas bahu maar dhar, the girl is falling in love, the mother locks her in a room. Not at all. It's a very fresh, understanding, new, innocent love story. People will relate a lot to it because this story takes place in many houses till date.
So any message to your fans who will actually become your fans soon?
I hope they become my fans and just keep thinking sweetly about me, like don't wish harm for me. I know you all won't, but yeah, whenever you all think of me, it should bring a smile to your face. Or your heart should beat faster for girls. So yeah, that's it. Yeah.
And TV characters today become superstars, the characters actually. So what are your expectations with Raj? He's the ultimate romantic.
Yeah, he's actually the ultimate romantic. It's my dream to be such a character. I think I'm nice at romance and this is ideally what I wanted to do and I've got this and I'm not going to let it go. And Rajan sir is backing me full on in this and I'm going to kill it.
So your views on the show and your message to the viewers who want to see the show?
It's a very sweet love story. There's nothing negative about it. Please watch the show. You're going to love it and every person on the show is working really hard on it. Everyone is nice on the set and just watch it, yeah, please.